Near the beautiful mountains in a small peaceful town lived a boy named Kabir. He was tall, strong, and full of confidence. Kabir believed that he could do anything. One day he saw a group of climbers heading towards the highest mountain in the area, Mount Trishul. It was known as one of the most dangerous and difficult peaks to climb. People said, only trained climbers can go there. It's not for everyone. But Kabir thought, I am strong. I can do it. Without any training, without any proper gear, Kabir packed a small bag, put on his sneakers and started climbing the mountain. For the first few hours, he felt great. He laughed, jumped over rocks, and kept going higher. But soon the air got thinner, the path got steeper, and the weather started to change. He slipped once, then twice. His legs were shaking, his hands were cold, but his pride didn't let him stop. Then suddenly he fell, not too far, but enough to twist his ankle and bruise his back. He couldn't walk anymore. He was alone, cold and in pain. Some villagers nearby saw him and rescued him before nightfall. Kabir was embarrassed. He had failed. Everyone in the town heard about it. People whispered. He thought he could do it. Now look at him. Kabir stayed quiet for days. He didn't leave his room. After a couple of days, a kind old mountaineer came to visit him. His name was Mahadev, and he had climbed the same mountain more than 20 times. He looked at Kabir and gently asked, Do you know why you failed? Kabir lowered his head and replied, Because I was foolish. Mahadev smiled and said calmly, You didn't fail because you tried. Trying is never a mistake. You failed because you were not prepared. Remember, the mountain is not your enemy. Your ego is. Kabir looked at him with tears in his eyes and asked, Do you think I can ever try again? The old man said, Yes, if you are ready to train not just your body, but your mind. That day became a turning point in Kabir's life. He woke up early, trained his body, read about mountains, studied maps, learned to use tools, and even practiced breathing techniques. He trained for 1 whole year. People started laughing again. They said, Why waste time? But Kabir didn't care anymore. He had learned something important, that real strength is silent. After a year, he packed his bag again. But this time, he was ready. He climbed slowly, step by step. He didn't rush. He respected the mountain. And after many days of effort, cold nights, and hard climbs, Kabir stood at the top of Mount Trishul. He didn't shout. He didn't take selfies. He just closed his eyes and whispered, Thank you, failure. You made me who I am. When he came down, he didn't go around showing off, but people saw the difference in him. He wasn't just strong. He was wise, calm, and humble. And soon he started teaching young climbers not how to reach the top fast, but how to respect the journey. Friends, in life we all try to climb our own mountains. Sometimes we fall. Sometimes we get hurt. We feel ashamed. But that doesn't mean we are weak. It simply means we are learning. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of success.